What are you looking at me like that for? What do you think? What do you think?
I think I want to do some nails.
What do you think?
What do you think? Undercover hermit.
So, oh, look at those bears. Is it me, or sometimes do those bears or those fingers look like they hurt? No, these fingers aren't there. Those fingers look like they hurt. To the left.
They look like they hurt.
No.
I like these nails. Those are cute.
I'm talking about
Is
those
it painful?
nails. They look like they hurt.
A little bit.
Okay, so we're going with summer nails. Is that the plan after all of that? Summer nails?
Yeah, we're going with summer nails.
Okay.
I want some brightly colored nails.
Gel,
That
brightly
will go
colored
well
gel
with
nails.
a little bit longer of a nail. I normally have short nails. So trying to find something cute. This would be cute right now. I could totally do that.
Yeah, but it's boring. We don't want that boring stuff.
Boring. I like it a lot, but it's too thick. Pretty
Okay.
cute. This would be hard to do.
Those are both just like straight the same thing.
Yeah.
So it's kind of boring there without just one finger.
Yeah, this is boring with one, but I like that though. That'd be kind of cute.
You like the boring?
No, I like the one. I'll do that with something else. Those are actually adorable.
Okay, all right, I got it. Put some of the, we have those real flowers, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Make one of them the real flowers, one of them the gel flower, one of them a painted flower, one of them.
All different types of flowers.
Yeah, all different types of flowers, and then the last one be a flower design, like a flower wallpaper design, maybe. Or what about a green plant?
Good. Right.
Good, right?
Good. Right.
I think it'll be good. I'll paint a flower.
Yes.
Acrylic.
You should paint a flower.
I'm gonna get some acrylic while you start.
Yeah. Pick out the colors. So I just got the basic kit from Walmart with a little light to dry the nails. Easy peasy. Just do a quick primer. Super fast. Just don't touch the skin.
Don't touch the skin.
Not with this. Alright, next is the gel base coat. You just want a thin
And top
layer.
coat.
Yeah, this is a combo.
You want to put the top coat on the bottom.
It's gel base and top coat. What's both? Gel nails get very sticky after they're cured. Very sticky, so you have to either not touch anything with them or clean them off with alcohol. It's hard to find someone that does gel nails though, because, well, it's not hard. A lot of people do gel nails and it's actually really exciting. My favorite types of nails are the Japanese and Korean style bubble nails. I think they're super cute. Gonna do a little bit of pink on it.
It's
so
fast. Doing gel nails is fast.
It's fast.
That's why you want to do gel nails, because they're fast. But everyone online hates them.
I know. I really don't know why. I don't think they're bad. They're not bad on my nails, but
I know why they hate them.
Why?
Because of what you just said.
Because they pull off.
No, because
No one waits for them.
no one likes to get rid of gel nails. Like, that's why no one likes gel nails, because
It's a pain. It's really a pain to pull them off. Oh,
Also, gel nails are kind of a little bit expensive to get into.
yeah.
Like, you can buy colored nails and just like $5 get into nails.
It's really
But gel nails, you gotta at least drop $50
Yeah.
at least, right?
And the polish itself is, the ones I've found are like $15 a bottle, which is super expensive. Yeah.
When you see a person with nails, like really done nails, like,
Chances are they're gel or acrylic.
yeah, but it kind of sticks out, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Like, you're like, that person's got some crazy nails.
Yeah, like I noticed them. But I like nails, and you're used to seeing nails, but still they are noticeable.
Yeah, I think that it's a definite flex. It's a female flex
Yeah.
because you had to put up with it.
That's the other good thing about gel nails is you can paint and try it, and if you don't like it, just wipe it off because you have to cure it. So it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like this
Technically,
purple, I don't like it like this, so I'm just going to try to smudge it. Always just an experiment with nails. Nothing is perfect. It's just a hobby for what you want to do at home in your spare time. It can be as relaxing as you want it to be. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the yellow. I'm gonna cure it. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of rubbing alcohol and so wiping off all the extra. I don't know why it gets sticky after it cures, but it does, and it sticks to everything. So
Yeah.
if you have cats, your cat hair will get stuck to it. It's lit.
It's lit.
All right,
Turned out
so
pretty
we're
good.
going to finish these up, and then you can paint my middle now.
Word. Ember.
He's the biggest baby cat.
You ready, bud? You ready? Let me go paint her nail.
Here we
Yes.
go.
All right. Let's see. All right. Where should I stick this thing?
In the middle.
Right in the middle?
Yeah. I'm kind of seeing it in the camera. Oh, that's cute.
Hold on. Stay still. Oh, jeez. Is it me or do I look like I'm shaking there? Do I look
You're
like
shaking.
do I look like I'm
You're
shaking?
shaking. It's okay, just deep breaths.
All right. Now what?
Heck yeah. You should do the stem.
The stem?
Yeah, should you put 3 of them right there? Maybe just do the little stem.
The little stem?
It's perfect, yeah.
Light green stem?
Light green stem.
I just gotta let
Oops,
it
I
dry.
have paint. Oh,
Whoopsie.
it's okay. Ah, that's perfect. You have to let it dry. Oh, I love it. Thank you.
Real thick. Don't judge. Don't judge. A real big one? Where's your other hand at? Oh shit, don't fuck it up.
The sunflower.
A sunflower?
Yeah.
A yellow flower then? Yellow leaves? Is that what you want?
Oh, you could do black in the middle.
With a yellow sunflower?
Yeah. With
Yeah.
lots of little petals. That would be cute.
Can you try that?
Yeah. Because you have black out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Start with yellow, and then you'll finish it with black in the middle. What do you think?
Okay. Be over here. Alright, put your thumb down straight. Yeah, right there. That's good.
Yeah, like that. It's perfect. Oh, I'm twisting.
Are you twisting?
Ah, I'm sorry. Dear, that looks so good.
You want to flatten out the black a little,
Oh,
right?
yeah, it's perfect.
So a little green stem.
Yeah. That's perfect.
Alright.
Heck yeah. That's good. He's helped me before, though. Even off camera, he's helped me on them, so.
Yeah, this is not the first time.
Mm-mm. I think this is your first time painting flowers, though, isn't it?
Yes.
After I do my nails, I don't know about anyone else, but I've pushed my cuticles back so far they get kind of irritated until like the next day. Not every nail, but if I just push them back, then it's a little irritated. What do you think? And that turquoise
So
petals?
okay. And just going like in a circle.
Yeah,
How big?
like that big. Perfect.
Like a big blue sunflower?
Yeah. Your nails look better than the ones I did. They look really good.
Let me finish it up.
Super cute.
It does. Should I add blue to that corner over there?
Well, I think we're almost done.
Yeah. Looking good.
Looking good.
Heck yeah, bro.
Super cute.
That's good.
Improvise.
Done with this?
We are.
Are we done with all the colors?
Yep. I'm
Sweet.
almost done with this.
Alright, I'm gonna put all this up.
I'm so ready to be done. It's taking so long.
Should I start closing things? Do you need this?
Yeah, you can start closing it.
Oh gosh,
No,
this is
I don't need
open.
that. I can't ever get it shut. It stays like that.
Gross.
It's really sticky forever.
Oh my gosh, it made such a mess. You get your ball. We get 10,000 likes. I'll make an Ember ball video.
You can see that little cat go crazy.
Yeah. 10,000 is so y'all never see it.
Yeah, for real, right?
Yeah. Ember will get canceled. Ember, you want to get canceled?
Now just finishing every nail with the top coat and we'll be done. A glassy top coat. We'll take pictures of the final product so you can see all of these cute little flower nails up close.
Took us a few hours to finish, but I'm pretty proud of my work, even with my shaky ass hands.
And it's pretty fun.
My shaky hands. Even with my shaky hands, I'm proud.
Well, they turned out really good.
They did.
You tried hard and it worked out nicely. If you like what we're doing, please hit that like button and subscribe.
Please do. Please. We need
Stop
it.
being so needy.
We need it. Please.
But, you know,
We'll
we'll see how it evolves.
We're going to post until we can no longer post. Bye, guys.
Peace.
It's been good.